What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Ella0254, man. Out here with the Cutlass cobbler, bad ass yellow boy, bad ass James Brown. You can see Milwaukee in my hand. Got that one wheel off. Got it over there in the back of the truck. And get ready to get the tires put on. Cut you back on. Alright, so with us taking off, the other side, and ain't a lot to you. Right over struggled a little bit. But Milwaukee M12 powered through, man, so it definitely got the more oomph into my lock down booth. For a lot of stuff, this will work. Some shit I need this. So we got the wheels loaded up in the trunk. Now we just gotta look at the tires, load them up, go get some cash, and then head to the rim shop. Straight like that. Going from taking them 265s off, going with the same 245s that's in the front of the Cutlass. Same brand, full ways all the way around. 22, 245, 30, 22s. Alright, man, we up here at the shop. I ain't tripping. I would say Monday through Saturday, 8 a.m. 7 p.m. It's 9:37 a.m. 0937 for you military folk. And ain't nobody here. So unfortunately, situations like this, man, like, bro, I don't got time to be waiting and playing and shit like that, bro. Like, you supposed to be here, bro. Cause if it was my job and I wasn't there at the time I'm supposed to be there, bro, they'll fire my ass up on somebody. So look like I'm finna go and slide to that K-Town, baby. Yes, sir. Alright, y'all, so we just leaving the rim shop in KILLEEN, man. They got us mounted up. A little higher, man, than what I fucking pay at the other shop, man. They charged me like $90 fucking mount about them bitches. Now, I ain't too much tripping, it is what it is. But that's higher, I think, than what I regularly pay. I think I pay like fucking $25, $30 fucking time. I don't fucking know. I just wish my regular guy would have been there, but you know, fucking at this point, man, time is fucking money. I had to keep on fucking moving. I got other shit I gotta do today that's gonna set up the rest of, you know what I'm saying, my week as the progression goes. So it ain't really nothing, but yeah, when you don't have the fucking skills to do the shit, I mean, pay the little extra, you know, pay $90 versus, you know, I don't know, buying a machine and all that shit. And that's why I say it come down to some shit I buy for myself. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't want to have to pay nobody else to do it. Depending upon the tools required, you know what I'm saying, you may or may not need to. You know what I'm talking about? So it's all good. Tires is on. We'll get back home. I'm gonna run out here, make another errand. I'm gonna make an errand that's gonna be a whole nother video, and then I'm gonna cut y'all back home and get to the house, put the tires on. Alright, y'all, so we back at the house. Got the car back on the ground. The only thing I did different, or I didn't fully do, I haven't lowered it, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna be straight. I don't have a stick. And that's what the spacer, with the little bitty thin spacer. Let me show you. That's with the little itty bitty thin spacer like this on there on the passenger side. On the driver's side, I just wanted to kind of see what the difference was with it sitting on the ground, and for the video purposes to be able to show y'all the difference. Once again, all this can be avoided if you just buy the right offset wheels for your vehicle. But when you buy them for, if you buy them secondhand, used, whatever, man, this is something you may or may not run into. For this situation, man, it's just these cars came with small wheels, bro, 14s from the factory. So, but yeah, the little skinny spacer. Let me show you what it did. The little skinny spacer give me like just barely enough, bro. Like I don't even know. But I feel like it might be straight, but it's also kind of lifted up. Like I'm not sure if I was to let it down, is it gonna come right here on the side or no? Like I said, as far as clearance on the outside, which we were trying to achieve as well, we may be in there barely. I think we might be good. Trying to get a good up angle shot. Yeah, we might be good on that. Worst case scenario, we just still have to run the spacer and you can't drop it that low. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, that's with the little itty bitty skinny spacer. It looks like this. Like I said, on this side, I left it with the 1-inch spacer, which it adjusts the I guess the offset. As you can see, it's a much bigger gap between that and the frame. So however, when it comes to right here, that might pose a problem because, as you can see, it's very, very, very close. Like, I mean, it's probably not gonna rub like it was with the 265 on there, but yeah. So we got two choices: be close to the frame, be close to the frame, or be fucking close to the outside. Okay, because tubbing, of course, you know, I'm not doing all that tubbing and all that extra shit. You know what I'm saying? Seat notching and all that shit. Like I said, running spaces. Like I said, you can probably bring it down some. It's not as wide, and kind of get away with it. Like I said, it feels kind of straight on this side. Well, it looks, like I said, it looks straight. But like I said, but it's barely. You know what I'm saying, I don't know. I mean, there's no real travel back here as far as I know. So I mean, it should be straight. It should be straight. But as you know, there's only one way to find out. Let's crank her up. Alright, so let's get this thing cranked up. Let's see. We're gonna be listening for anything on this side primarily. We know the passenger side or driver side gonna be good. But listening for anything crazy coming from the passenger side. And then we out. so as you can see, I was trying to get up my mess from Lord's fluid that was leaking, man. I still don't know what the fuck it is. I still think it's that tube. Nothing seems to be rubbing really at this point. We just took it up the block, around the corner. I ready to back it in. It started being stupid. Now I won't crank. The voltage is there. She's sitting pretty to the motherfucker. I was saying, this probably fucking around be the thumbnail. Be like, ooh, new tires on the cut. This fuck around be the thumbnail, but she kind of stuck there. I'm gonna have to find. I don't know if it's an electrical problem or what, because that's 12 volts. Turn the key. It drops. Probably lower than it should. So I don't know. I don't know if that's like I don't know if that's a battery issue, or I don't know if that's a fucking, I don't know. To be 100% completely honest with you, I do not know. But I'm gonna figure it out. There's only one. The block for the starter, the block is fucking grounded. Right? The block is grounded. The starter is grounded to the block. It's a positive power or a constant power that goes to the battery for that starter. And then from there, it ain't nothing but a single wire that goes from the fuse box in there. So it should be fairly simple to figure out. I ain't even gonna do it on camera. Y'all know I do this shit, it is what it is. Plus it takes me longer when I'm recording, so yeah. But yeah, little small itty bitty problem, nothing major. So but yeah, man, y'all let me know. Like I said, I'm probably gonna end up just go ahead and taking the space off of this side. Like I said, it's good on this side from what I can see. See, this side is a little bit more, it's tucked in. You know what I'm saying? That way, if I want to come down with it, it wouldn't really be no issue. I mean, it ain't like I'm trying to squat it, but if I was trying to, then maybe. I don't know, we'll see. But like I said, I don't know what issue we'll run into back here. Cause I mean, that's pretty damn close. So, I don't know, we'll see. As time goes on, if we run into any issues, and we'll see. But I'm not notching my frame. So you can say, bruh, saying that. I mean, you can say it. I'll just comment back, thanks for the feedback. But yeah, I'm not notching my frame. If I just gotta put them 1-inch spaces back on there and go from there, then that's what I'll do. Still should be able to bring it down some. That way it's not that big of a gap. So just maybe kind of looking closer to that or whatever. So we shall see. We shall see. Alright, y'all, it's your boy LS0254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember, hustle don't stop, grind don't stop, gone.